Today we will learn how to remove an object from a video in Premiere Pro. First of all, put the video on the second layer and duplicate the layer below by pressing Alt plus drag the video. Now hide the video layer 1 and keep the upper video selected. Go to the Effect Controls panel and click on the Opacity's ellipse mask. Now cover the object with the mask. Now turn on the toggle animation of the mask path from the opacity mask. Now keep moving the mask along with the object. Keep moving the mask and click one frame forward until the object completely goes out of the frame. Then go to the opacity mask once again and choose the inverted option. Now unhide the bottom video layer. Now cut that video in the middle with the razor tool. Now put the last part first and put the first part last. And it's done. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphic Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphic Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.